All right, let's start off here. So typically an ear is going to be a little bit on a slant, of course, and when I draw ears, I like to think of the letter C, the letter C again, the Y of the ear, and then sometimes you could even call it a question mark. Okay, but we'll hit that up in just a second. But let's go through these different things. So first part is the C. So an ear is going to have the outside part of this ear is going to be a bit of a C. Okay, that's number one. And then you're going to have another C. It's going to come in here like this. That's the second C. Then you've got the Y of the ear. Okay, Y of the ear goes something like this. It comes around here. Comes down here like this. So you could start with something like that. And it's going to start, I'll give you a second here. Let's go ahead and start with this. Let's start with this one here. All right, this is kind of ear in reverse. So let's work around this. So we've got our letter C. Okay, you got your inner letter C, right? Okay, letter Y. And then this question mark, which is at this point, it might be visible, it may not, but you should have enough information at this point to get a pretty good looking ear. Now let's add, I'm just going to go in here and add some surface lines. And I'm going to drop some tone in. Just one value of tone. Probably the ear when you're drawing a portrait is you could get away with the most of it not looking like the person, because that's not really what we look at first. So there's a lot of leeway when you're drawing ears. If you do have additional questions, please join our Facebook group. It's totally for free. Post your questions in there. You could direct it toward me, or even down here in the comments below. You could ask a question and I will try and answer it my best. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.